Good afternoon mga ka-travelers. Ngayon, dito tayo sa Birkikara Park. Ito, itong place ito. Okay. Ayan. Kikita nyo, ayan. Okay. Ayan, bawal. This is a public garden. No damage is allowed to benches and green areas. Any vandalism should be reported to the local council. Please keep areas clean. Any waste should be discarded in the provided bins. Thank you. May multa siya, may multa. Tapos merong, ito yung ano niya, Merba. Ayan, Merba, Birkikara, Kunsil, Local Birkikara. Okay. So, ayan. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.